up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we're doing vlog number 4 today. Today's plans, we are going to do an ultrasound. We're on our way to the doctor's now. We're just waiting for some cars to go by for us to turn. It's just an ultrasound, but it's, I guess, one of the bigger ones. We get to see the baby's face and hands and everything. Today is 18 weeks, so a little bit over 4 months, kind of the halfway between 4 and 5 months. Excited to see her again, because the last time I got pictures, it was in the actual doctor's room and the printout was kind of crappy. But yeah, so we're doing that, and then hopefully we'll be picking my sister up a little bit later and making a surprise video for you guys with that. That'll be uploaded a little bit later on in the week. So yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Right now, my ass is looking bummed right now because I was literally up all night freaking editing. But I'm about to go ahead and do a time lapse on the travel, so stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? We are here waiting on her to get her ultrasound. So just to let y'all know, it is a girl. We got one screen right there, then we had another screen right there.
Well, she'll keep you up all night when she's born, don't worry. Let's get ready for that one. Alright, stretch your legs out. One more. So basically, I'm going to check the cervix at the end. That's why I had you undress, okay? Stretch it out. And who's your doctor? Livingston. Well, that's her head. She's moving. Here's her heart. Strong heartbeat. 148 beats per minute is normal. You're moving. Definitely a girl.
Already acting it up. Lord have
Daddy
mercy.
ain't gonna play that. Alright, there's our umbilical cord, so you can see it inserting into our belly right here. That's what we're this is our little thigh bone, the femur.
Okay.
Alright. So different angles, definitely girl. That's no doubt.
Yeah, I see. Cause my son, yeah.
So people will be like, oh, no, they might be wrong. No. Tell them no. There's the bones.
Go for you. How did that go for you? I said, how did that go for you? You too. Big head.
What's your name? Victoria Catlett.
Victoria Catlett. Why are you flicking your eyes? You said what? Hmm?
So you have an appointment on the 17th for your OB.
What's up, YouTube? So the camera died earlier when we were browsing around at the cars. Result, we didn't get it. My heart's still set on my Charger and his heart is still set on his Challenger. So we're just gonna end up working for those. But it was fun shopping around and looking around and seeing the different features. But yeah, 300 horsepower is nothing compared to 707. But anyways, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to our gaming channel, Gaming with TTG. Turn on post notifications for both of those so you see every time we upload videos. We'll try to get in a better routine with this channel, hopefully posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But make sure that you like. If you didn't like it, dislike. Leave a comment. Let us know what you're looking forward to seeing, what you liked about the video. If you're expecting, leave a comment, boy or girl. What are you planning on naming him or her? So yeah, if you like babies and ultrasounds, there hopefully more of those where that comes from. So yeah.